Hello, dear students. Welcome back to E-Classes of Commerce Standard 12. In this video, we'll be continuing concepts of marketing management. There are 5 concepts of marketing management. So let's have a look on 5 concepts one by one. So these are the 5 concepts of marketing management. First, production concept. Second, product concept. Third, selling concept. Fourth, marketing concept. Fifth, social concept. We will understand one by one. First, production concept. Production concept, that means it is production oriented concept where the importance is given to the price of the product and the availability of the product. That means quality is not given any importance. If price is cheap and the product is available, consumers will easily prefer to buy the product. This concept is mainly followed in underdeveloped countries where cheap price of the product is the utmost priority. So, here producers also do not believe in giving any extra facility or feature in the product. So, here in production concept, the main importance is given to the price of the product and availability of the product. Second is product concept. So, this product concept gives importance to quality of the product. Product concept is an idea that consumer favors the product that offers the best quality performance and features, and that organization should devote their energy in making continuous product improvements that articulate consumers' preferences. That means this concept gives importance to the quality of the product. Simultaneously, it gives importance to make the continuous improvement in the product. If any mistakes are there, any lacking is there, so improvement should be done that will attract the consumers to buy that product continuously. So here good quality products are available that also at relatively higher price, and those companies those follows this concept goes for research and development, as it becomes mandatory to do the research and development. Third is selling concept. This concept gives importance to sell the product or converting product into cash by selling. Various methods or different methods are adopted to attract the consumers to buy the product directly or indirectly. Methods like advertisement of the product, promoting the product, direct selling. Here, the need of consumer is not given any importance. It is just selling. And even consumers' dissatisfaction is ignored. In the concept of selling, these two things are ignored. The need of consumer and consumer dissatisfaction is ignored. The selling concept is meant only for selling. Fourth is marketing concept. This concept focuses on the need of consumers by conducting research to know about their taste and preferences, and main object of marketing concept is consumers satisfaction, as that can make possible to give permanent hold on consumers or customers, and that results in profit of business. The philosophy that consumer is the king of market is reflected in this concept. So here identification of consumers' need is the priority or the first step. This concept is modern kind of concept which benefits all like firms, consumers and society. So in present times it is being adopted by huge companies and industries. It can be said that this concept focuses on customer satisfaction along with profit orientation. So both things are being focused, customer satisfaction and profit also. Fifth is social concept. Many experts have criticized marketing concept as it only focuses on the customer needs, taste and preferences, what customer wants. At any cost they satisfy the customers, which can harm the environment too. as resources of society are being used to satisfy the customers, so that can harm the environment too. According to the social concept, marketing management should be done in such a way that consumer needs are also fulfilled, and at the same time it can create less harm to the environment. So in present time, more importance is given to protect the environment. In present time, use of plastic packing and reduction in air pollution through the control of emissions from industrial unit is being done or followed by huge industries, as it can harm society and its natural resources. Nowadays, in present times, we can see that in malls and different shops, ready to eat food packets are available. At the same time, consumer is aware about that there is no harm to health by consuming it, so they prefer pure and healthy food packets. The control To control the consumption of junk food, some states have imposed fat tax too. So, in the same way, controlling of air and noise pollutions have been given more importance. So, according to social concept, marketing management should be done in such a way that there is no harm to the natural resources of society. So, here we have completed the 5 concepts of marketing management. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.